There's a common misconception that by doing a will you avoid probate, and that is not the case. It's important to take other measures to avoid probate. The most common method of avoiding probate is to establish a trust. If you come to Fleming Curti, we evaluate whether you need a will and structuring your assets in a way that avoid probate, or a trust in which we put your assets in trust in order to avoid probate. Alternatives to doing a trust include a beneficiary deed. Arizona law allows you to do a beneficiary deed, which is basically a deed that says, I give my property to my children effective on my deaths. A husband and wife can do such a deed. It has to be recorded. And the nice thing about a beneficiary deed is, like a will or trust, it can be changed. Other ways of avoiding probate are, for instance, on brokerage accounts. You can put transferable on death. A husband and wife can own the account jointly, but then on death, you name your children or other persons or charities that you want to receive that property effective on your deaths. Retirement accounts, you name beneficiaries. Life insurance, you name beneficiaries. If you have structured all your assets in a manner where you name beneficiaries, then those assets are not subject to probate. Frequently, we see trust where people have created a very nice trust, but fail to put their property into the trust. So it ends up going through probate anyway. So it's very important to look at each asset individually and make sure it's titled in a way that avoids probate.
Fleming Curti PLC, the leading elder law attorneys in Tucson for over 40 years. Call us today at 520-622-0400 or visit us online at elder-law.com.